Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the link target and why you want it. Once decided, pick clear anchor text or an image to click. Make sure the target exists by opening it in a browser, and then copy the exact URL or construct a relative path for internal pages. If you need an email link, use Mailto, address at example.com. This first step prevents bad links later and sets consistent, accessible text for users to understand what they will get. Now you create the actual link. In HTML, place an anchor tag with href equal to the URL and put your anchor text between the tags. Once done, add target equals blank to open a new tab and rel equals noopener for safety. For markdown type text, URL, or use your CMS link dialog to paste the URL and set link behavior. Make sure to include a protocol like HTTPS. // for external links so browsers resolve them correctly and search engines index them. Finish by thoroughly testing the link in different contexts: desktop, mobile, and within your content management system. Make sure it opens the intended destination. Once done, refine anchor text for clarity and test keyboard navigation and screen reader output for accessibility. If the link fails, check the typed URL or relative path, confirm the protocol, HTTP versus HTTPS, and review server permissions or redirects. A single troubleshooting step to try first. Paste the URL into a browser address bar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.